Are you experiencing ongoing effects from a concussion? What about brain fog or persistent migraines and headaches? A healthcare clinic in the Columbus area provides personalized care that could allow you to regain control over your daily life. And here to talk about solutions to your struggles is Dr. Joseph Coppus, owner of Delta Neuro Health. Thanks for being here.
Yeah, thanks for having me today.
Yes,
it's an honor.
You have a very personal story when it comes to this effort to really help people who have neurological conditions. What is that story?
Yeah, so when I was in high school, actually, I sustained a concussion. That concussion left me with pretty bad headaches for quite a while. And then for the next 4 years or so, I was experiencing what's called POTS. Where I was passing out, I was having syncope episodes, things of that nature. And it took me a long time to realize that that's what it was from. But then luckily I was able to meet a functional neurologist when I was living in Atlanta, and they gave me my life back, and now I don't experience those symptoms anymore. And not only that, I decided to pursue that as a career. So we brought it back to Columbus, back to Ohio, and I'm so excited to be here.
Yeah, obviously life-changing. So talk about your clinic. What do you all do?
Yeah, so we're a multidisciplinary clinic. We have different specialties such as functional medicine, chiropractic, functional neurology, and neurofeedback. But today I really want to focus on the functional neurology. That's kind of our bread and butter. And essentially what that is if you can accept that the human brain is the most complex system in our entire known universe, what we do is we try to understand that brain and then apply clinical tools to actually help improve the brain's function.
So what conditions do you treat? We mentioned concussions. That's something that you've dealt with. We've mentioned brain fog. What other conditions do you treat?
Yeah, some of the main things that we see in our office are, like you said, we see concussion, post-concussion syndrome, people who have been struggling for weeks, months, even years with concussion symptoms. We deal with complex vertigo, a variety of different types of vertigo. POTS, dysautonomia, migraine, childhood developmental disorders, as well as neurodegenerative disorders as well, like Parkinson's and stroke, TBI. Things like that.
Yeah, I'm sure you develop a relationship with the patients that you care for. How do you determine a long-term plan for them?
So our approach is completely individualized, and if you accept that the brain is as complex as we said, you have to understand that that's why it has to be so individualized. So we don't have any protocols. There's no box we put patients in. Everyone gets an individualized treatment plan based on a comprehensive evaluation. And then from that comprehensive evaluation, we can structure the treatment plan to each individual patient. And everybody's going to respond differently. Every brain is different. Every brain injury is different. And that's how we have to approach every patient.
Yeah, and you mentioned the treatment plan, but obviously it starts first with the consultation. What is the process up until, that treatment plan?
Sure. So first and foremost, if people are interested in our care, they're able to give our office a call. We offer free phone consultations. If we think that they're a good fit for us and vice versa, then we'll get them scheduled for that comprehensive 3-hour exam. Which is going to include kind of 4 parts. We're going to do the specific and sensitive diagnostic testing, which includes eye movement tracking, posturography, computerized cognitive testing, and then that's followed by an unhurried or unrushed history. A lot of people who go into medical facilities now, they feel like they just don't get enough time. So that's something we really try to distinguish ourselves from. So after that, we do a in-depth bedside exam to confirm what we're thinking. And then at the end, we go over what we found. So then that day, we talk about what we saw that was good, what we saw that maybe wasn't so good, and what we should do about it. And that's when we then develop that treatment plan.
What feedback are you getting from patients?
Yeah, very positive. I mean, not only clinically and results, but I think people really appreciate our individualized approach, you know, not just writing off their symptoms as anxiety or just all in their head, which, funny enough, the way we look at it is their symptoms a lot of times are in their head, but in the brain and not just kind of psychosomatically, if that makes sense.
Mm-hmm. So if someone is watching and is interested in reaching out to you all, how can they do that?
Yeah, they can find us on our website, deltaneurohealth.com. Our number is 614-706-2093. And yeah, we have a lot of great information on there, on our website, blog posts, podcasts, testimonials, more information as well. So yeah.
Okay, all right. So like he said, check out the website. Thank you so much, Dr. Coppus.
Yeah, thank you for having me.